Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to record a test case in Katalon Studio. So first thing, I'm going to open my existing project named Devnami. Okay. So I already created one project and I have two test cases in there. Okay. So you can check that test cases from Test Explorer. Okay. Now, if you have checked some of the earlier videos from my channel, then you can see that you can create new project from file, new, and then new project. Okay. Similarly, you can right click on test cases, then select new test cases for creating test case. Okay, so we are going to create one. So test case 3, put some description if you want, put some tags so that you can search it later. Click on OK and it creates a new test case, and then on right hand side you get one more tab with the name test case 3. Now at the top toolbars you can see a record web option. Click on that and it will open a recorder. This is a web recorder and by default it has one website URL added in it. Below that, captured objects, which is a field you can't edit. It will have the objects added from the actions that we take on web page. Same with object properties, they get added as we perform action. And on right hand side, you see number of test cases, action, action data, and element. So the test case 1 will contain number of action, and these actions are basically your test cases broken down into small actions. Okay, you can select here basic, action, validation point, or synchronization point. We will get to that depth later. Okay, so simply click on OK and it should ask you for object repository. Just select that. Okay, next thing, when you are ready to record, simply select the browser that you want, and then you can simply see that you have your browser started, and here you are going to perform some actions. So click on this make appointment button. That will open the login page. Here you simply click on this with default credentials. Then you have option to select faculty, then apply for hospital readmission, then Medicaid, choose the day, and then let's say Medicaid as comment and book your appointment. Okay, now that everything is ready, simply click on go to home page and then close the browser. Then bring back your web recorder and click on stop so that all these actions will go into your test case. Okay, now click OK. Here you have list of object repositories and these objects that will be added right here. Okay, that's it. Now that once you go through these steps, you'll find that it has item where it shows actions, then object where they were clicked, like button which was clicked twice, for appointment and home page. Okay, similarly you will also find open browser, close browser actions. And now we will simply run this in Chrome to validate our test. Okay, as you can see, all these tests will be performed. A new browser instance is open, and then it will take you to website. all the tests performed successfully, 0 failure, pass 1, run 1 out of 1. Okay, now you can see that all the actions here are also part of your object repository's browser test folder. Okay, this is the repository that I created, and you can either let your test create this for you or you can do it manually. Okay, so in this video we have shown you how to create a test within your Katalon studio for performing a manual recording of test. Okay, similarly you can automate this for your Appium test or Selenium test as well.